Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Lariat in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a Lariat chrome appearance package, which includes chrome bumper, grille, handles, running board, as well as the side view mirror caps. It also has a trailer tow package with the Pro Trailer Backup Assist system. And it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and memory for 3 drivers, and that nice inlay in the door. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, electronic power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and a grab handle, making it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. The thing I like about this is I can keep my key in the pocket, just put my foot on the brake, and then push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu you can toggle through. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little cubby, as well as your B&O premium audio system badging, and below that traction control, hazard lights, and auto stop start for less idle time. And I've currently got my phone plugged in for Apple CarPlay, so I'm just going to unplug it, and there you go. You've got your sources you can touch on there: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth. And as well, you've got your navigation. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there's your map, and then there's the backup view. You also have your settings, so you can slide through for different options and things like automatic updates. There's the Apple CarPlay and other features that you can touch on. Down below, volume and tuner, and then you have your dual climate control for both driver and passenger. You also have heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, you also have your Pro Trailer Backup. There's a little cubby there, and down in the center you've got a couple of USB outlets, as well as room to put items. You just press in the center and it'll close it right up, and you've got that nice wood grain design located there on it. You also have an automatic select shifter and drive mode, and when we press this, it'll appear on our dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. You've also got a couple of cup holders there, and there's a light at the bottom for the ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side, 12 volt with a 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And you also have universal garage door opener. In the body, on the passenger side, you have a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, I can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is located just below that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when I'm ready to open up the tailgate, simply double-click the fob. It powers it down for you, and that just makes it easier to open it up and close it up. You also have a lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then when you're ready to close it up, just flip it right up, and then you can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and that nice inlay. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab at the base and then lift the seat up. And then when you're ready to bring it back down, pull the tab again and push down, and down it goes. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as air vents on either side. And in the center, those red seats, those are the heated seat buttons for the rear seats. In the body, there's a grab handle, up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. 5.5 foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.